Emotions and how a puppet can help a child with them. That's what this series is about. In the previous video you saw how my puppet placed all the happy and not so happy emotions she recognized into separate piles. In this video we will pick a few of those cards and show you how we work with them and how we involve the child. Even though our goal is to hear more from the child, I choose not to ask direct questions like, "Are you ever angry?" Instead, I give my puppet the lead. She picks a card and says, "This one is really angry. Can you see that?" I felt like that too when I had already practiced tying my shoelaces 1,000,000,000 times and it still didn't work. I was so angry that I threw my shoes across the room. Do you know that feeling when you're really angry? First, my puppet gives an example that describes a situation she's not proud of. By doing that, she shows, "I have this too. I also do things without thinking, things Helen isn't happy about. That happens sometimes." That makes it more likely that the child will show a little more of themselves. Every response a child gives is okay. A puppet doesn't judge, it's simply curious. Let's do another one. This one. Have you seen this one? I had to think about it. Yeah, because I see a balloon and balloons usually make me happy. But this little figure doesn't look happy at all. And then I thought about the time I went to visit Lars in the hospital. Lars is my friend. He'd had an accident and I brought a balloon to cheer him up. But I was also a bit scared. Yeah, Lars was lying in a bed with a machine attached to him and I didn't know any of that. He was in pain and I didn't feel like the Lars I usually played with. That's when I felt like this picture. Do you know that? Have you ever felt like you looked happy on the outside but really weren't? Again, this creates space for the child. Maybe they've been to a hospital too. Maybe they've tried to cheer someone up after something sad. If a child doesn't want to say anything, that's okay too. What I mainly look for is engagement. Is the child present or not? Do I see something happening inside them? My goal is to create the safety needed to start sharing. Some children do that right away. Others need more time. I give them that time. And my puppet keeps doing the same thing. She shares a recognizable situation, invites the child into the conversation, and moves along with the child in a way that helps them feel seen, heard, and understood. I don't step in myself. I'm not part of the conversation. Why I do that, I will explain in the next video. Would you like to read more or learn more about this gentle, low-threshold way of connecting with children? Take a look at my website. And if you'd like to do this activity all year round, in Let's Play, one of my play bundles, these emotion cards are included. I'll see you in the next video.